Markets are waiting for the inflation data from the United States that is due to be out on a Wednesday. Major trading instruments are currently holding in a narrow range. Thus, Brent crude is now consolidating near $77 per barrel. The price has been declining for some time, signaling oversold conditions amid fears of a possible recession in the United States. What's more, Russia, who has previously pledged to cut oil production by 5%, still records the same export volumes. Yet the market sentiment is gradually changing, and analysts predict the resumption of the uptrend if the quote manages to break above the resistance level of 77.60 and 79.10. Stronger than expected employment and wages data in the United States proves the resilience of the US economy even though inflation is running high and interest rates stayed at elevated levels. This means that energy demand will stay robust. On the supply side, some OPEC Plus members are set to reduce the oil production this month. As the market gets tight, oil prices may start to appreciate. Meanwhile, gold has stabilized at the level of $2020 per ounce, ahead of the CPI report in the United States. A change in the growth pace of consumer prices will determine the future of the Fed's rate. If the data shows a slowdown in inflation, gold will continue to rise. Notably, gold usually serves as an alternative store of value when interest rates go down. However, central banks in Europe and the UK continue their tightening cycle, therefore the upside potential for gold still stays somewhat limited. The Russian ruble has advanced following the announcement by the Central Bank of Russia about a possible increase in the interest rate as a means of curbing inflation. The ruble also gets support from Russian President Vladimir Putin, stating that the official discount for Urals grade against Brent was decreased to $3 per barrel. This was done to attract more foreign currency to the country, and the dollar-ruble pair is projected to fall to 75 rubles per dollar in the near future. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to the channel and follow news with us. See you soon.